Another battle that nobody sees me in. I wear a smile like it's summer on my chest, but nobody asks me why I never rest. I got 1,000 voices telling me I'm falling, 1,000 memories I keep from crawling. I try to outrun everything I regret, but my past knows the fastest route to my head. I keep saying I'm fine, but I'm losing my grip, trying to hold together every broken piece. There's too much noise in my head, too many things that I never said. I'm fighting wars in the dark, all alone, trying to find my way back home. I keep carrying weight that nobody knows, smiling outside while I'm breaking below. If I let go of the pain I protect, oh, what am I without the stress? Oh, what am I without the stress? I built these walls because I needed shelter, but now I'm trapped inside what I created. I wanted peace, but I got used to chaos. Now calm feels like something complicated. I keep blaming myself for things I couldn't change, keep reliving moments that still feel the same. My mind's a room where the lights don't work, and every thought is another shadow that hurts. Maybe I don't have to fight every feeling, maybe I don't have to hide every scar. Maybe the parts of me I keep defeating are the same parts that carried me this far. There's too much noise in my head. There's too much noise there's too much noise in my head. There's too much noise in my head, but I'm still here and I'm not dying yet. I've been through storms I thought I'd never survive, still finding reasons to stay alive. I may be tired, I may be changed, but I'm learning I'm more than my pain. The stress doesn't get to own my name. I'm taking my life again. The noise